This is Marvin Gilig. Today, let us dig deeper into Ms. Or's incomparable geography, Taguluan, Misamis Oriental. Its name originated from the Muslim words Tago, which means a place, and Uluan, which means head or chief. Simply, it means the place of the chief. More so, it is a product of a priest's curiosity and interest to seek the very source of a river that caused death of human and animals and destruction of properties when flooded. Hence, when Spanish colony ruled the place, the name then changed to a word which is now known as Taguluan, due to the difficulty of pronouncing it. Aside from its derived meaning, Taguluan has its unique snakehead pond that might be a good spot for nature tripping and bird watching. So, pack up your travel suit and bring along your binoculars as you enjoy nature's best and be one with Taguluan. Every name was derived from something that can never be forgotten. This is Marvin Gilig, and that's 60 Seconds. See you next week.